Today I'll show you how you can hide default apps in iPhone XR. To do that, open Settings, tap on Screen Time, tap on the Content and Privacy restriction, then toggle it on. Tap on Allowed App. Now slide out the switch beside the app or apps you want to hide. I'm hiding Camera, Safari, Wallet, and News. Now these apps are hidden from the screen. If you want those apps back, just follow the same process and slide on the apps and they will appear on your screen. So this is the way you can hide default apps on iPhone XR. Then again, unhide them when you want to use them. Thank you for watching the video.